What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got an exciting new video for you guys. I got a bunch of speed shapes over here, so you know what it's time for. It's time for an awesome new spray out. But what could we possibly be using? Well, I've got a cool RUST-OLEUM product that a lot of people have asked me to see, and that's what we're doing today. So let me show you what I got. So we're all familiar with these. We've probably seen them on the Walmart shelves a time or two. This is MERMAID COLORSHIFT from RUST-OLEUM, guys. Now, not to be confused with the Blue Cosmos. I did that on a different episode. But what I've got here today is various different speed shapes in various different colors, because a lot of people have been asking me to see what this looks like over different colors. Now, obviously, you're supposed to add this over a black, so I do have a fender prepped up and ready over there. But first, we're going to shoot this over some speed shapes, take it out in the sun. That way you guys can get a good idea of what this might look like on your next project. So without further ado, let's get into spraying some RUST-OLEUM ColorShift Mermaid. And the colors we'll be doing this over today are Hunter Green, Gloss Grape, a really cool Engine Blue, Real Orange, Sun Yellow, Apple Red, Coral, Phantom Gray, and of course, regular old RUST-OLEUM white. Let's take it outside and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got all my speed shapes laid down. And like I said, this stuff says to apply over a black base. So, you know, it's going to be very, very interesting to see what this looks like over top of all these different colors. But you're best to apply this over a black, because it's probably going to make these look blotchy, at least the lighter color ones, when it's out of the sun. But there's only one way to really find out. Let's take this ColorShift Mermaid RUST-OLEUM and let's see what it looks like over top of all these colors. Alright guys, mermaid over white, over gray, over coral, over red, over yellow, over orange, over blue, over grape, and over hunter green. Now look at these color shifts, man. Very, very cool. That green is wicked over that pearl. It's got a nice accent. You get it good over the blue too. And then when you get to the lighter colors, well, you know, it's a little bit different of an effect, but still very cool. Look at that sheen over top of these lighter colors. Man, that mermaid's pretty cool. Over the coral, that's a nice effect. And then, of course, that ghost effect over the gray and over the white are very cool too as well. What do you guys think of these mermaid spray outs? Alright guys, so now we're out of the light so you guys can see what these speed shapes look like outside of the sun. And man, still very cool color effects over each one of them. That green, man, that's really, really cool. So nice sheen over everything. I'm really liking this mermaid, guys. I can't lie. It is very, very cool over all the colors. Which one is your favorite? Man, this mermaid ColorShift by RUST-OLEUM is actually a pretty cool product, guys. Obviously, it's meant to be over black, and that's what I'm going to do next. We're going to see the full transparency of this stuff right here and see if we can't make it look a little shiny. I'll probably add some clear over top because you know it's Whitley Auto Works. And yeah, let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so now we got Rust-OLEUM Mermaid over black, and man, with some 2K clear over top, this thing is sparkling. Man, look at that color shift. I mean, just very, very cool. Trying to drop down, get it at a low angle for you guys so you get a good idea of what it looks like in case you want to use Mermaid on your next project. Alright guys, so today was all about Rust-OLEUM Mermaid Color Shift in a spray can. A very cool product that you can find in my Amazon store or at your local Walmart, Target. A lot of places carry it, and they got various different color shift colors. Some that I've covered on past episodes, and some I'll be covering on future episodes. So if you made it this far in the video today and you like the Rust-OLEUM color shifts in a can, you want to see more, especially seeing them over different colors and stuff, because a lot of people don't show that, and even me on past episodes, I've done a couple episodes with like the blue Cosmos and stuff like that, but I did them on a fender and I split it 3 ways, so you didn't get as many color combinations as you did today. So I'm trying to expand so you guys get a good idea of what you could achieve with different projects you have in your head, and will it work the way you think it will? Well, that's what this channel is all about, guys. And if you like crazy stuff like that, learning how to paint, learning color combinations, saving money on a budget, Whitley AutoWorks, definitely hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it to notify you every time a new episode drops, and leave me a quick like and comment, guys, before you exit away. Rate this spray out, rate the other spray outs. Let me know what your favorite color combination was that I did today, because I'm really curious to see which one takes the cake. Is it one of the colors, or is it this black with the Rust-OLEUM color shift that Rust-OLEUM recommends? If you're interested in any of the products you saw in this video, the finished one clear, the paint gun, the mask, all that stuff's in my Amazon store. Click the links below, guys. It says as seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything I use on the channel for the same price I get it. It won't cost you anything extra, but we'll get a kickback and it goes to help out the channel. Also, if you're interested in any merch, WHITLEYAutoWorks.com is now open, so you can check that out as well. And, you know, just as always, guys, I appreciate you for continuing to watch and support and everything else. So, as always, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John for Whitley AutoWorks. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.